I want to talk about this fix-a-flat tire repair. I've been having a little bit of trouble with one of my tires in my truck. I just had new tires put on, but I do have a slow leak, and I think it's due to the rim, not the tire. So someone suggested that I try this, and it might help out. And you can see right there, I'm running a little bit low. I usually run around 65 psi. It's right around 30. Very easy to use. You shake it up, and then when you take the cap off, you can see right there, it's got that little hose and nozzle. Very easy to use. You'll just take that nozzle and screw it right into the stem. And once it's all the way screwed in, you'll simply press the button on top, and it's going to release all the stuff inside the tire. One of my favorite features about this is that it is tire monitor system safe, so you don't need to worry about that if your vehicle does have monitoring. And this definitely is something that I suggest everyone keep in their car. If you have a emergency pack or emergency bag in your car, make sure you keep one of these in there. They're very handy. And after you've dispensed all of the material inside, you're supposed to drive for about 5 miles or so. I drove to the store and topped off my air pressure a little bit. If you'd like to try some, please click on the link in the description below.